Myself, Dr. Humaira. I am from J.A.T. Arts, Science and Commerce College, Malegaon. My topic is problems in section cutting. So, section cutting is a process in which the cutting of the section takes place in thin slices, useful for studying either the cell themselves or their arrangement. The paraffin blocks containing the tissue are cut into sections with the help of microtome. So for cutting the section, some problems arises. So today we will study about what are the problems and how it is treated. So the first problem is the crumbling of section. Section becomes crumbled due to inadequate impregnation. So during impregnation, alcohol is used. If alcohol is not completely removed, then crumbling of section takes place. So it is necessary to return to all alcoholic elements from the block or from the tissues. We remove crumbling of the section or the problem of this step. The next problem is scoring of sections with vertical line. If the knife edge is not perfect, then this situation occurs. So, to remove the scoring of sections, the sharpening of the knife is necessary. So, first sharpen the knife and remove the scoring of sections. The next step is alternatively thick and thin sections occur. So this problem is caused due to imperfect knife edge also. So first arrange the angle of the knife and sharpen the knife and remove this problem. The next problem in section cutting is nothing but the chattering horizontal lines or furrows across the section. The problem of this type is caused due to imperfect setting of the knife. The arrangement of the knife in the microtome is not properly set, so such type of problems arises. So to remove such problem, reduce the tilt of the knife and we solve the our problem and the section becomes in proper manner. The next problem in section cutting is nothing but the intermittent cutting, on and off cutting. This type of problem is due to the imperfect setting of the knife also. So to improve such a problem, we can treat the increase the tilt of the knife, arrange its angle, the edge becomes sharp and we can solve such type of problem. Besides this, the next problem is in the form of brittle and tough tissue. So this is caused due to the tilt of knife is too great. So avoid use of such type of knife, and if the knife is used in such a manner, then decrease the tilt of knife and cover over the problem of brittle and tough tissues. The next problem in section cutting is nothing but the dirt in the sections. This problem occurs due to dirt is present in the paraffin wax. So it is used the pure form and dirt free paraffin wax is used. If wax has dirt or dust particles, then clean it first, then use it and remove this problem. The next problem is calcium particles in the section. If such type of problem occurs, then use select microtome and we can cover the problem of calcium particle in the sections. So in such a way, for the cutting is of the section, this step is very much important. If no section cutting is proper, no staining occurs and the result is not in proper way. So remove the problems in section cutting, avoid such causes and use the treatments in the form of the either removal of the alcohol, sharpening of the knife, sharpening of the knife edge and arrangement of the knife angle. We can improve our section cutting process and solve the problems very easily. So this is the problems in section cutting and how it is treated.